Today we're here at the Boys and Girls Club.
All right.
Playing a Play 60 basketball game. It's a pretty easy game that you can do with a simple laundry basket and a ball, maybe even a timer at home. This is a great game to play just to help get some more physical activity in for the day, trying to aim for 60 minutes a day.
Yeah, let's play a game, huh?
Since we know the recommendation of how many minutes we should try to get per day of activity is 60, we're gonna do a little Play 60 type basketball game.
Ooh, almost.
The first team to get to 60 points wins the round. You'll take one shot and then get your ball. If it goes in the tote, obviously that counts towards the total. If you miss it, run and grab it, hand it to the next person in line, and then they get to shoot. And begin.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Oh,
65.
Oh.
Nice job,
Oh my
everyone.
gosh. Nice job.